Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money giving away free courses on the biggest educational platform online in 2021. So let's jump in. So the easy steps to this strategy will be using the largest platform on the internet for online courses and training. Anyone can sign up as an instructor. It's easy to get your course up, and there's a 30-minute minimum for each course. So think about it. There's other platforms. This is not Skillshare. Skillshare will allow you to put up a 10-minute course. It'll only take you 10 minutes to create something. But in this case, this is not that platform. So you do have to put in a little bit more effort in to get that 30-minute course, but it's actually easier than you think. So if you really break it down into 5 to 6 videos that are about 5 minutes each, which is super simple to be filmed. It can take a couple hours and you'll have a full course, 30 to 60 minute course up and running within a few hours. You'll have all those videos and you'll be ready to publish it on this platform. So once you do that, you'll set your course to free status and people will sign up on a daily basis to watch your course. Then what you'll do is you'll leave an affiliate link to sell your product in the bonus section of the course, which is allowed by the platform. You do want to make sure you read all the publishing instructor guidelines to make sure that you're following and you don't get your account banned or anything like that. But they do allow a very last part of your course to call it a bonus lecture, and you can do self-promotion in that. And that's where we're going to use that. So we're following all the guidelines, but we're also utilizing what they're allowing us to do. And I'm going to show you, stay tuned, stay on the video because I'm going to show you how this actually works. I've done this and I have a course. My most recent course has been published for less than 60 days. I've already made affiliate commissions from it, and I've already got 5-star reviews on the course. So I'm going to prove to you that this works. So once you get your course published and approved, it'll be on the platform. It'll be live, and I'll be showing that platform to you in just a minute. So now you'll sit back and watch as the traffic comes in and you get more and more students. Some students will watch the entire course and click on your promotional link, and some of those will actually purchase your recommendation in that bonus lecture, right? So it's as simple as that. So let me show you a real example that this works, and on one of my courses, real proof, putting my money where my mouth is, literally. So let's jump in real quick. So I'm going to come over here. We're on the platform. We're on the Udemy platform right here. Okay. I'm signed out of the platform. I'm going to go ahead and come over here and I'm going to type in video creation for business. So I just typed in video creation for business, right? And the course is someone searching for this would be someone that is maybe a marketing manager or has been given the task of putting more videos up of a business, and maybe they don't know how to create videos and do video marketing for their business. And so this course would be great for them, right? So come over here, we have 10,000 results. So that's pretty competitive, right? And you also are 4.5 average. Your average course rating is 4.5. I do have a special tool installed, and I think it's called Course Champ. So it's a paid extension, but it allows to give you a little bit more data than you're able to find out, which is really, really cool when you're doing your research on the Udemy platform. So I must mention that Udemy is arguably one of the top 2 or 3. I think it's the largest, but you could argue that it's definitely the top 2 or 3 educational and online for online courses platform in the world. So this is a massive website. And if you do it right, you can get a massive amount of traffic and students. I have almost 21,000 students on my account. And I've made steady money here for years on the Udemy platform. So Back to this, I went to video creation for business, 10,000 search results, but you can tell that there is money in with this search term. And so what I'll do is I'll come down over here and I'll go to price, and then I'll just click on the free button here. So this is going to pull up all the free courses that we have here. And you'll notice that out of free, this one right here, look at all these pages, all these that are posted right here. The second one that says new, the second one is video creation for business masterclass. Okay. So what I've done here is I've created this course, and this one's 1.5 total hours, but you can do 30 minutes, no problem. I think you can even come down here and go to video duration, and you can click on this and see how many there's actually. See, the majority of them are less than 2 hours because Udemy has made it your course, if it's 2 hours or less, can be free. If it's more than 2 hours, you cannot put it for free. So they have guidelines, and so they do actually encourage you to put free courses on here, but they just want it to be less than 2 hours. So with this strategy I'm giving you today is I'm actually telling you to just create between 30 minutes and 60-minute courses. So you can pump them out quickly and you can still gain all the traction and the visitors, right? So this is my course. You guys know me on Teach Me Money Methods. My name is David Mills. And so this is my course right here. I've got 3 reviews, and I've got 5 stars. And you can tell that, so right here, it's not enough data. This course was published less than 60 days ago. So check back later for it to actually give more data. So right here, obviously what you're going to end up doing too is when you have these free, when you're giving out the course for free, you are going to get a ton of signups. A lot of people like to go in here and do free course hunting, and they're going to sign up, but they're actually not going to watch your course or ever sign up or ever actually watch your course, but that's okay. We are interested in the people that are actually going to watch your course. You get reviews, right? So I've had, so let's go ahead and click on this, right? So I'm ranked number 2 for the free, under free for this search term, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you. When we get over here on the home page, I'm going to show you what it looks like. We've got our preview here. And like I said, 5 stars, that's my account there. And I have 2,300 students that have signed up. It has so far only resulted in 3 ratings. Now I've done this method several times, and I usually, with that ratio of students, I would expect about 30 reviews. So this particular keyword is not bringing in the reviews like I would hope, but it still does show you that it will result in people getting reviews. And guess what? Only 3 reviews on this one. And I do have, if it will show the course content, we click on that and we've got our nice description here and everything. Okay. If you come through here, you'll see right here, this bonus lecture. And that's where you can do self-promotion. So I have this bonus lecture here, and guess what? I am selling video software that the software creators actually reached out to me and gave me a premium account and wanted me to help them, partner with them. So I partnered with them, and guess what? It's already resulted in an affiliate sign-up affiliate commission. It's a monthly reoccurring commission. So so that's how powerful this actually is that I've only had a handful of students that have actually watched the entire course, and it already resulted in a very high conversion rate when it comes to the people that actually watched the course, because I already made an affiliate commission. So so yeah, that is the strategy. It's really simple. Utilize the most powerful platform for online learning in the world, and they will let anybody teach on this platform. It doesn't matter what country you're from. And and even if you have a really strong accent, or you don't speak English, or you have some barriers, there's still things you can do. You can hire somebody on Fiverr. You could even hire me, as I'm somebody that can create courses on Fiverr for you even, but you can hire people to do the course creation for you as well. You could build a free course empire on this platform and get all this targeted traffic to your offers. So that's the strategy. I hope you enjoyed this strategy. And so let me jump back into this real quick. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and push that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my other videos that are like this, right? Where I'm giving out really good stuff that I'm practicing right now. I just showed you that's my account, my course. I'm making money with that course, and it's just one method. If you want to know my #1 money making strategy, click the first link in the description below, and you'll be on your way to seeing how I'm making passive income monthly online. So until the next video, take care.